Hey health enthusiasts, you need to hear this if you eat chicken weekly. Is more than 300 grams too much? Let's dive in. Some folks say eating more than 300 grams of chicken weekly might be unhealthy. But is that true? Here's the scoop. Chicken is a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. But it's all about balance. Too much of anything can be bad. Eating too much chicken might lead to higher cholesterol or even heart issues. So aim to mix it up. Add some veggies, fish, or beans to your diet. And remember, moderation is key. Enjoy your chicken, but keep it varied and balanced. Stay healthy and keep those meals exciting.